Commonly used as a topping for sushi, the popular Japanese dish, uni, consists of the gonads of what class of animal? We're going to go to Caroline. Caroline.
Salmon.
Mick.
Cow.
That one's rattled me. I try not to get rattled, but that one's rattled me. The sense of the anatomy of a cow is baffling me at this point in time. I thought, with salmon, that's going to slow you down the water a fair bit, but the cow's taken the cake for me at this point. Emma.
Fish.
Sam.
Eel.
Bruce.
Just when I stop crying. Sea urchin.
Michelle.
Sea urchin.
Matt.
Salmon.
Rachel.
Fish.
OK, we're just a bit overtired, I think, tonight. Let's just have a moment where we all get a bit of control back. I don't want to go into great explanations of what gonads are, but suffice to say, I reckon a cow could be out of the picture. Well, that's hurt me deep inside, that one. OK. What are you thinking?
I keep looking at cow. No, I don't really. Sea urchins, they're too small. They wouldn't have anything in them. Salmon, it's a fish. Fish. Eel. I'll give you my answer.
Oh, must you? It's such a joy, isn't it?
I will say fish, because it means salmon as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, but there's only... I mean, we can't... do you know how the game works?
Yeah.
OK. We have an answer up there, and it can't be two things up there. It's got to be one or the other.
Yeah.
Because it's... I mean, you might win a moral victory here, but...
I'd say fish. I'd say fish.
This is like Monty Python.
Fish.
I'm hearing you. The pointing's going well.
No, I'll go for fish.
You have gone for fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you've gone for fish. You've said fish.
Fish.
Yeah, fish. Definitely fish?
Yeah, fish.
Okay.
Look it in.
No, we don't dart. No, we don't dart. No. Disqualified. You're out of the game. No, we don't say lock it in here.
Oh, OK.
No.
Right, all right.
We say shut the gate, kill the goat, dance like a pagan.
OK. Shut the gate, dance like a pagan, and what was it?
You've got to kill the goat before you dance like a pagan. Otherwise, you give the pagan nothing to dance for. You've got to shut the gate, kill the goat, dance like a pagan.
What was that?
Dance like a bogan, I said. I don't know where that came from. You've got to shut the gate, kill the goat, dance like a pagan.
OK, all right. I'll...
You've said it anyway.
I thought you wanted me to change my mind.
No,
I'll
I don't know.
go for fish. I'll go for fish. Fish.
No, you've already gone for fish. I just wanted you... Oh,
fish.
F*** it. OK. Fish. Let's see if fish is correct.